Hi, it's me, Zayful People Rocks, the British Tech Guru. I want to introduce you to a French word. The word is Trebuchet. And this is a trebuchet. And we're going to build a trebuchet. Yes. Are you excited yet? I am. Oh, yes. So, let's see. What do we have here? We have some Chinglish instructions. Oh, very explicit. I can really read that. Ah, well, yeah. Oh, I can really understand that. Ah, we have some instructions in German. And probably Japanese. And it's in, is that French? Yes, that's French. Oh, is that Spanish? No, that's Italian. Okay. Oh, that's Korean. Portuguese. Ah, finally English. Well, it all looks pretty simple, so I'm just going to try it and see what happens. If everything else fails, I can, I suppose, read the manual. So, this thing has been laser cut, so it's not cut very well. In fact, some of this is pretty horribly cut. Okay, I think that's all the bits. Now, what we have to do is to put all the bits together. And, well, don't think there's any real difference. Is that the same both ways round? I think that's the same both ways round. Okay, yeah. So it really doesn't matter. Okay, we'll put that one in there. Okay, that one's in there. This one is in there. And the ones with the holes, it goes in the bottom, apparently. So I'm kind of casually glancing at the instructions as I'm building it. I'm not a great one for looking at instructions, to be honest, especially when they're in Chinglish. Okay, so we've got that. And then, the instructions really aren't terribly clear, are they? Okay, so we've got this one goes here. But I don't think I need to press that together yet. Then it says put these two in. So which would have been made more sense to have done that before I put that in, but that's not the way the instructions were. Okay, so put that in. That one. So that's good. And then this kind of goes between them. It really would have made more sense if there we go. Right, got that. Then we put this bit here. I suppose we squeeze it together now. Yes. Okay, that's squeezed together. And now I have to put this through here. I have to tie this elastic band around here like that. And that's where it all goes belly up. Right, the elastic band there. And then the elastic band goes through Come on, let's go through. There we go. Okay, that is probably not going to last too long before that wood snaps, which is probably the intention of the Chinese. So better lift it up like that. Okay, so that is pretty darn good. And they've given me a pop bottle cap to put on there, which I probably won't. So anyway, well, why not? Let's just put the pop bottle cap on. Cheap and cheesy pop bottle cap. Oh well. Yes. Yes, the medievals did not use pop bottle caps. Okay. Oh, and they've given me a little boulder to fire off in it. That's kind of interesting. Whee!